Welcome back. In this video we're going to look at how to add categories to our menu. In order to do that, go to Appearance, go to Menus. Now click on this category tab here and view all categories. We're going to add just the agriculture and the sports. Click Add to Menu, and then let's rearrange it so that the contact becomes the last on our menu. And remember to click on Save Menu when you are done. Now let's visit our site again and see what our menu now looks like with our categories on it. Now you can see we have Home, About, Agriculture, Sports, and Contact, and these two are from our categories. You can see it says here, it says my site / category / agriculture, and this one says my site / category / sports. Okay, and that's it for adding categories to your menu. See you in the next video.